Hi, my name is Vita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how to build a business card in the Canva app. So this is the home page. As you can see, there are many other choices, and these all have templates, which will be what we're using today, but you've also got social media, presentations, posters. I use this app for just about all of my projects because it's so customizable. So we'll go to a business card. And here you can see, this is the template, so this is not my information. So I want to click on the letters. So you just go back, you can double tap that actually. And here we go, the J for my last name. And you just have to tap each section. So I'm going to enter in my name. And I use this so much that it already has all my information that I'd like to put in. Certified career service provider. That's my credential. And go back. Alright, so now we're going to go to the other side. And we're just going to change information here. Do the same thing with the letters. Double tap that C. There we go. Alright, and here I'm going to again change the name and the title. I'm using a stylus, so there we go. So now I can hit edit again. And for time, I'm just going to enter in the abbreviated form of my credential. Here you can change the mobile address, or the mobile number, the address, and add your personal email and your website if you have one. Okay, now we're going to go back and I'll show you how to change the colors. So we'll change the color, and here you have your theme colors and what you're already using. So, but for these purposes, I'm going to choose a blue. Dark blue is too dark on the gray, so I'm just going to go with a light blue. Okay, you can also change your background color. I happen to like the gray, but I'll show you. It's the same thing. You just go through, and we'll just choose a lighter gray. So we'll go a little darker. Here we go. All right, and just close that out. And then again, the back is very pink. So I'd like to use a different color than the front to make it not too bland, and use the blue for the background there. And then I can use the color that I use. I can just switch the colors basically. There we go. And I like my font white for the detail because again it contrasts, and I like to have a little more definition on the important contents of the business card. But there we are. That is Canva. I hope you can now build a business card, and I thank you for listening.